Look what I came across. How cute. Oh, and there we go. There's a family in the water over there. Now, just to let you know, I'm on my way to the Maritime Museum. And I've got my friend with me.
Hello.
And you know what her name is? What's your name?
Anita.
Guess what? So you got two Anitas today. Anyway, I'm just going to show you some more little baby goslings. Here we go. There's heaps of them. Just so gorgeous. Hello there and welcome to my channel. My name is Anita and I'm a Dutch-Kiwi. I'm on my way to the Maritime Museum, this historic museum with historic boats. We're just going to have a great time. It's beautiful weather, lovely blue sky, perfect temperature, and yeah, it's time us ladies go and have some fun. Here we are. Right, let's go and see what else they've got. This will be fun. Oh wow.
Ja, als je mijn roer, als ik dit doe, dan...
Ik bouw voor heel veel andere mensen, dat zeg ik van een jaar of zo.
Well, what a lovely entrance. The model boat club with a big pond showing off their lovely models. There are regular open days here, but this particular day was for the 35th anniversary of the Binnenvaart Museum. Binnenvaart being the inland shipping, and the history of this is told very well here just by looking at all the boats that are moored here. Now, I didn't spend time on all of them, but specifically on the Siegfried. Oh, I love this. What a great use. A great way to retire, to become a garden. That's lovely. Very nice. I'm going on board the Siegfried. What's the number? No, just the R is Siegfried. Let's have a look. Now this is the same river that flows past my place. And we've been on this river. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, well. Nice colour. Here we go. Dordrecht. Very nicely kept, beautifully painted. Bell number 1. And bell number 2. And inside. It truly is a floating museum. There was just so much to see and a lot of things on display. Very interesting. The Siegfried was built by boat builder company L. Smit in Kinderdijk in 1880. It was designed as a passenger and freight vessel between Rotterdam and Mannheim in Germany until 1931. And today it is a floating museum. zal je altijd zien.
En dan voorbij. Zo.
Beautiful day. Hey, that's a good idea. Let's have a look in here. Ooh. If there's anything in archive system. Amazing.
Ik kom niet uit de vaarwereld.
Alleen maar de reparatie zeker.
To be honest, I do not know a lot about boats. In fact, what I know you could fit in a thimble.
Oh, wow.
But I do know that the Netherlands is certainly dependent on good boats. We are such a water country, and you just really need these boats to get your things from A to B. And not only that, it's really good to support these events. You know, this is run by volunteers, and to keep this up to date and keep it well polished and interesting, you just need so many people to do it. So it's just really a sort of courtesy to them to visit this maritime museum, really. On July the 27th, 1858, around noon, the wooden hekchalk, the Jonge Jacob, sank in the Dutch-Kiwi near Willemsdorp during a heavy storm. On December 20th, 2006, after having been sunk for 150 years, the impressive stern of the Jonge Jacob resurfaced. Both the province and the government's Cultural Heritage Agency of the Netherlands, in its capacity as the body ultimately responsible for archaeological monument preservation, would welcome the wreck's public use. Dordrecht was suggested as a suitable location for a presentation, a desire which was shared by the city of Dordrecht itself. In September 2009, it was widely announced throughout the country that the Jonge Jacob, dating from 1840, would be placed at the Inland Historic Maritime Shipping Association in Dordrecht. Thousands of special components keep it and its crew in action. Although the Jonge Jacob has not been completely salvaged, enough has been recovered to give us an impression of life on board, like tools, kitchen utensils, and even the toilet. When the ship went down, the mast and all of the rigging and tackles were lost. In the stern, however, several tackle blocks were found, probably stored there as spares. The rope on board of the Jonge Jacob was made out of wood fibres, an old-fashioned method which was exceptional for the time. To keep a wooden ship watertight and afloat, it had to be treated regularly with impregnating agents like linseed oil, sometimes mixed with resin. Other parts, like sails, were tarred. Impregnating utensils like tar brushes and cauldrons were found in the stern. And here they are. Wow. Amazing. So I hope you're enjoying some of the nostalgia here that we've actually got the privilege and chance to see. So we're onward, because, we are going on the Veerdienst 3 and having a harbour cruise as well. Time for lunch. Yum. In 1898, the City Council of Dordrecht commissioned the company Van Gips and Lijnbaan in Dordrecht to build a ferry. The Veerdienst 3 entered service in 1899. Until 1910, the ship operated with a flat-bottomed tug for carriages between Dordrecht and Papendrecht. Then, until 1929, the ship served as a ferry between Wieldrecht and Schravendale in the Dutch-Kiwi. In 1938, the Veerdienst 3 was converted and modernised into a motor vessel at the Koopmansschiphaven in Rijkshaven, equipped with a 120 horsepower diesel engine. The vessel sailed out several times to extinguish fires with the fire engine installed on the foredeck. The Veerdienst 3 survived the Second World War unscathed, likely due to its role as a fireboat. Until the late 1970s, the Veerdienst 3 served as a representative vessel for the municipality of Dordrecht, and now it's here for hire for catering for weddings, just a day out with the boss or whatever, but it's a lovely boat to go on. Dordrecht is one of the oldest cities in Holland. It is a historic island city known for its rich heritage, waterways and unique character. It is a place where history comes alive with numerous monuments, a charming harbour area and atmospheric Dutch Venice feeling with its canals. Dordrecht boasts a long and prominent past, having been a major trading centre and site of the first meeting of the States of Holland in 1572, which led to the formation of the Netherlands. The city is deeply connected to water, with picturesque inner harbours and a nearby Biesbos National Park, offering a blend of urban and natural beauty. It is also situated on an island formed by the St. Elizabeth floods of 1421, adding to its unique geographical and historical identity.
Wij zijn iedere keer, gaan we lekker naar buiten.
Dat is ook een plaatje, dat stukje. Ik wil er wel een nieuw stukje aan. was de brugpas en hier ging je daarna naartoe.
And that was such fun. But you know what? Even though there's more to see, we've decided we've had enough for one day. I can always come back and have another look. So it's about a half an hour walk home in the sunshine. Nothing wrong with that. And here I am back along the river, going home, ending a lovely day. Weather is awesome. And the company I kept was lovely. The other Anita too. She's gone home. She lives just up the road. And I've just got another quarter of an hour to go before I get home. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my shortened visit to the Maritime Museum, Historic Maritime Museum in Dordrecht.